Hello, my name is Oscar and today I'm going to talk about the Windows 10 Start menu. That's the button in the left of the screen. As you see, when clicking, many options appear. I will explain one by one. The first option is Start and Shut Down by clicking on Out and suspending Turn off or restart our computer. The second option is Configuration, as its same Saget allows use to change the setting of the computer as as system, device, connect your phone to your computer to revise our email and more notifications, net, internet, personalization, applications, accounts, or language, video games, accessibility, privacy, actualization and security, search, and the third option is File Explorer. As you can see on the left side is the basic. See you left side in the basic directories and folders or files that we use more. And the right side is appears the same, only that more extensive. The fourth option is User. When clicking on it appears three options. Change the configuration of the account that user or user show as block. Close the session, and the fourth section shows as the other user of the computer. And ending the video, we have in this column the most used application, and under this column we will have another one with all the applications alphabetically ordered. And finally, on the right side, we will have two columns. One where notification of our social network will appear, today, time, etc. And the other entertainment applications such movie and video games. And this is all.